Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to share your iPhone screen during a WhatsApp video call in 2025. First, open WhatsApp and start a video call with the person you want to share your screen with. Once the call connects, tap the three dots menu button at the bottom of the screen, and then choose Share Screen. The iPhone's screen broadcast window will appear with WhatsApp already selected. Tap Start Broadcast and wait for the short countdown. Now, your entire iPhone screen is visible to the other person. You can swipe up to go to the home screen and open any app you want to show. Remember, the small video window stays on your screen during screen share. To avoid blocking your display, simply swipe the picture window to the side. To end screen sharing without ending the call, just return to WhatsApp and tap the red Stop Sharing button. You can also stop from Control Center by tapping the recording icon. And that's it. Now you know how to share your iPhone screen on a WhatsApp video call in 2025. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other iPhone tips